now or never. We rise before the sound. The moment they realize it, we'll be gone.